Hey, saze saqala. Sina sesidudu. Sebenzisa bani sesidudu? Dudu. Ukhulele kududu.
Dudu ukhulele eShowe. Ngizalelwe eShowe, KZN.
Okay.
KwaZulu Natal emakhaya ngale. And then ngayohlala eThekwini, then ngamuvela eJoburg 2007.
So mawuhlala eShowe beyikhona lento ukuthi ufuna ukuthi ithola usebholeni. Bekuluswa inkomo. Bowena njani nje mawubuya esikolweni, iroutine yakho like mawubuya esikolweni? Was there any sign ukuthi mawubuya esikolweni washa ndishi then so ibholeni?
Cha nhlobo bengingazi lutho ngebhola futhi ngize ngaba mdala ngingazi lutho ngebhola. Bekuyisemakhaya nje lapha yana yavuka niyotheza. Yazi abantu abake beyikhole leyo nto siyavuka siyatheza angazi kude ingadi siyachela senza lezo zinto nje. Yeah, yilokho nje.
You are watching Sport Talk with GTZ, General Tata Zonke. Sport Talk, the General's view. GTZ, General Tata Zonke.
All right, good people of the Lord, episode number 10. Sanibonani njani eminyakeni lomusha wango 2025 Sport Talk with GTZ sihleli ene president ye TX Galaxy Queen Cheledi Tukwecembu le TX Galaxy senior team. So ndongicolela ngoba sikhuluma ngama Queens mangabe kuyowendeka ukuthi ilwimi lami lishelelile mhlambe bengikhuluma nge senior team ma mates ngabe sengifaka ama Queens ndongicolela kodwa ke namuhla we wanna find out kududu lo president ye TS Galaxy Queen ukuthi ama challenges la abakhona ukhulele phi and siyambona ku VIP suit. Do you remember the first time you were shown in public? Uhleli na Mr. Tim Sukasi.
Wow, yebo ngiyakhumbula. Bekudlala bekuyiChiefs nePirates.
Was that the first time you were public?
Cha, no, besihlezi bekuyini lapho 2012. Bekuyini no. Bekuyinto yamanje nje. I'm sure besisinomntwana nokuba nabantwana bese sishade nokushada into yamanje.
Okay.
Akusinto endala.
Give me bekuqala and I was like when I saw that video I was like okay kwenzakalani?
Yahlangisa abantu satrenda.
Yes,
satrenda ngiyakhumbula. So besiyibukela ibhola angathi uGuy lo bekahleli phambi kwethu bekune screen emuva lento abantu abangayazi ukuthi bekune screen emuva so screen besibonisa ireplay yalento eyenzakalayo. So ubhuti lo phambi kwethu uphendukile obheka iscreen ethi emangele. So abantu bacabanga ukuthi ubheke ebhida. Nathi mhlawumbe indlela esa actor ngayo asimazi ubhuti indlela esa actor ngayo kwabe ngazothi kwenzakalani kanti nathi besiyikhulumela ngento yethu bekakhuluma ngecold drink yami ebengiyiphethe ukuthi
amahloni
kanti abantu bazoyitshela ngisavele nje sabona sesitrenda nje.
Speaking about your relationship with Mr. Tim Sukasi icale nini?
Okay, so iqale khona la ebholeni sihlangane khona la ebholeni so mina ngisafunda isikole vele umsebenzi wami oqale ngawuthola ula ebholeni.
Okay.
Ngavele nje ngaba naleyo nhlanhla kungazi lutho ngebhola bekuyi 2008 yeah.
All right.
La ngiqale khona ukusebenza ku Pirates, Chiefs, senza ama Nedbank Cup, ngenza ngo Telkom knockout.
Asibambe.
Yeah.
Usebenza ku Chiefs?
Yeah.
Before uhlangana na president Mr. Tim that was about 2008. Yeah. What were you doing Chiefs?
So bengenza yabo presidential suite amantombazane lawa afica yenza ama wristbands afaka abantu ama wristbands amathikiti le nto le bengenza lokho.
So Mr. Tim bekayini by then beka busy ngani?
Bengamazi bekayenzani uyazi nje.
Mina ngathi ukuthi ube chairman weta impumalanga waintroduce TS Galaxy kusane Vodacom.
Beka scout,
before aba agent.
Yeah, beka agent.
Oh,
ngaleso sikhathi.
So you have been together since 2008?
Since no. Well, ungibone 2009.
Okay.
Ngathi kuzoba i-World Cup, but size sazwana 2011.
And nishade nini because you are married?
Yeah, 2014.
2014.
Yeah.
So you are a mother of 4 kids.
Oh.
And you have just
abantwana okugcina nje ngithole
wegcina
okugcina kwamanje.
Wegcina
Okwamanje.
Okay, mother of 4. So how do you balance this thing?
Kuba umama.
Kuba setimini, and then you travel because this job logo you travel nini usambombela nini use Cape Town nini use Durban. How do you balance to get time to chill with your family?
Ayabalanceka ke la ekhaya ngoba sihamba nabo abantwana and uyabona ama games abangama weekends, so sivele sihambe sonke nje njengoba kuyi weekend yama Queens this week sizodlala nabo abantwana bayalandela, so sihamba nabo yonke indawo nabo sebejwayele lempilo bayazi ukuthi siya travela. Sihamba sonke mhlambe kuma training ngizoyihambela nabo after school, bajwayele nje bazi ukuthi iyona impilo le
yasekhaya.
Impilo yasekhaya le bazalelwe kuyona and bakhule nayo because 2015 ngibe nomntwana oqala neTS Galaxy izalwe ngaleso sikhathi.
Okay.
So nje ayike into abayazayo Thembelihle lo. Yeah.
Oh, 2015. And then the second born
2017. Obuhle. Third born 2022.
Okay.
Khanya, and then bese kuba lokugcina 2025.
Ufunzile Dudu when they marketing. Mangubuka kuvele esikolo iBoston College when they marketing. Ikusita njani marketing because na TS Galaxy ku senior team angadi kuma Queens ukuthi kukhona ilomcashe on that department marketing, but ku senior team you are a marketing manager of that team. Ufunzele i-marketing.
Yeah.
Take us through about the scale sakho and then the team ngala kuthi kuhlangana kanjani.
So ukuba marketing director ngiqale the time team sase ABC Mtipeleki the time iqala nje.
Okay.
I think kuvele kwazenzalela because bengakafundi nokufunda lapho. Kuvele kwazenzakalela nje ukuthi ngingenelele ngiyazi ukuthi kufunekalana eteamini because already bese ngi exposed ebholeni nako Nedbank Cup bese travela senza, so ngiqale lapho nje ukuthi ngisize ku marketing. From lapho sithola ama cheerleader senza ama activation nawo. Kuqale kanjalo ke ngayifundela noma angiqedanga i-marketing yakhona because ngibe nomntwana then ngaqhubeka kodwa vele TS Galaxy bese ngivele ngiqalile, so vele yaqhubeka kanjalo.
What my challenges lobukana nawo in terms of mawubhizi office la marketing mawufuna kumarketa iqembu le TS Galaxy? We all know ukuthi most of my teams are struggling in terms of getting my sponsors, especially kule league ku Betway Premiership la TS Galaxy dlala khona. Ma challenges lobukana nawo ngwapi so far? Lo sho nawo ukuthi abona if ever ibhola za South Africa mayinga khona kudila ngaloko in terms of marketing will go far.
Yeah, ngicabanga ukuthi thina okwamanje inkinga ile sponsorship. If singathola sponsorship yo iTS Galaxy ngaya kude kakhulu because inkinga yethu nje iba semalini, but ama plans siyawaplana abekhona amaningi mara then kushoda yona imali and kushoda nabantu abaningi abazosiza kulokho kulama plans esinawo. Yeah.
Lokunye lophinze ukwende ubusy kakhulu. Lokunye uphinze ukwende une company legcokisa iTS Galaxy yonke. Sizzling Sport.
Yeah.
Under your name.
Yeah.
Uqale ngalesikhathi kutalwa iTS Galaxy or yayivele ikhona but bengaka dumi kangaka.
Okay, so iSizzling Sports yona ivele 2017.Iteam vele besiqalile besiqoka ikapa ngaleso sikhathi. So izibe khona kube ukuthi bengifuna ama tights for abafana abebhola. Ngifuna ama tights a navy awatholakala kalula. And then kwayikhanda ngibheka ukuthi mhlambe mangayenza research ngicheck ama factory around Joburg, check izinto ze material ngafunda ukuthi okay kunento kanje, then sa decide ukuthi okay what if sizenzela thina impahla zethu ikit le abafana abadlala ngayo ngoba bengazi ukuthi team izokhula, besazi ukuthi team izokhula, bengisho ukuthi vele ngangitshekile ukuthi 2020
yes ufuna ukubona
TS Galaxy izobe ku-PSL kanti ngempela kuzokwenzeka kanjalo vele. So iSizzling Sports besazi ukuthi noma kanjani if team iyakhula nayo izokhula, kuzobe ibrand thina siyazenzela amanye ama team sifuna ukuba i-team ehlukile. Amanye ama team maqoka uphume maqoka amagama amanye, so thina masingazenzela ibrand yethu kuzoba kuhle.
So yakho le factory le Sizzling Sports.
iSizzling Sports yes ngi-director no chairman uyi-director khona.
Xashe ngakubantu. Ngoba this question it will go far because tukwetinvo lotendako it's not about you, it's all about helping abanye bantu, because if we are talking about Sizzling Sport, we are talking about bantu lababeka kudla etafuleni because of you and chairman. So mawucabanga nangaka I know
ukuthi baningi abantu abasebenza khona, mara ngapha kwi-marketing yakhona abekho baningi kangako, mhlambe sina 3.
Okay.
Yeah. aba busy ngama invoice, baba busy ngama design, sometimes siyadinga usizo ngoba senzeli iTS Galaxy kuphela, siyenzela namanye ama team amancane asakhula, senzele nezikole ama matric jackets njalo.
So it's bengicela ukuthi iTS Galaxy focus at Galaxy. So I can put an order, I mean mangifuna let's say ne team yabafana abana 15 years.
Yeah, ifake order senzela abo team from ABC Mtipeli ama team nje lawa sakhula. Ama track suit, senze kit, senze ama golf shirts, yonke lento ibonayo nje sigqokile i-team.
Okay. So iTS Galaxy eseyitaliwe. That was 2015.
Yeah.
You win in Nedbank Cup when 2019.
Yeah.
Your involvement it was strictly marketing.
Ngaleso sikhathi bekuyi marketing na ma cheerleader, because na cheerleader program
yayikhulu yes.
Yeah, ababe khona nje lapha nabo 2019. So bekuyiyona leyo nto.
So do you sit down with President Tim Sulwazi and discuss about signing players, who is going, who is coming?
Umsebenzi wakhe ayi-1 lo.
Manje mangabe kuthiwa awumfuni imidlalo, let's say na Kick and Dolly. Let's say Kick and Dolly bongamfuni.
Sheb no umsebenzi wakhe lo uyazenzela lapho. Mina nje mhlambe la engingakwata khona ukuthi uhambisa iplayer, le player liyadlala kodwa nje kuphela lapha ayikho into ongayenza ngalokho.
Mara uyakhona ukulalela ukuthi mangathi le player ngalihambisa. Mawukhumbula ngiliphi player lakathi ufuna ukulihambisa wathi awungalihambisi
Untwari last season yo
Untwari lo Vimba Chiefs.
Yeah, because besingana goalkeeper ngaleso sikhathi and mina bekangazi ukuthi ubani ozolandela and ugoalkeeper yazi ukuthi yo bekavimba ngaleso sikhathi.
Okay, what was the explanation kuwe makathi uhambisa Untwari? Mara ngomhambisi. What was the explanation?
Ukuthi angeke ngisakhumbula.
Because ku interview lengaba nayo naye.
Yeah.
He did mention ukuthi yes, people bambona njengomuntu lo develop ama player wathengisa because of money, but he did explain ukuthi this league needs money since Galaxy ina sponsor. So wazomlexela ngalamanye ama team oTottenham Hotspur, they do get ama player right mara bawahambisa because
so yasho ukuthi kwamanje ile indlela esizoyenza ngayo njengoba izinto isakanje sewadlulisa lama players sothola amanye wathembisa ukuthi uzothola elinye eli good nalo naku khona manje.
Do you get time to speak with these players?
No.
Away from chairman. Let's say you need to motivate these players. Do you go by after training and?
No, mina ngikwenza lokho chairman uyena okwenza nge-first team.
Okay.
Yeah.
So first team vele ngichairman.
Uchairman, yeah. First team ine team manager, coach wakhona inento zakhona.
Mara team yasekhaya, team yakho.
Mina ngi-marketing nje kuphelela lapho kuma logistics. Indaba zama transport, indaba zokugqoka, lezo zinto lezo ezami. indlela yokumarket i-team, ama-activations esiwenzayo ilezo zinto zami ezihlangene ne-team straight cha angizenzi kodwa-ke makuza kuma-Queens-ke okunye-ke lapho.
Okay, half time mara uyangena na-chairman yomlalela ku-dressing room uyaya
first team no angiyi
mara siyanibona embombela nje-half time nehla each and every time. Hayi dude. Angithi niyacoacha.
Angingene elo e-change room yabafana.
Awungeni?
Angingeni nje half time.
Ungena like
bayashintsha bayenza izinto zabo yabo.
So lo ukuthi half time half time nehla na chairman awuye ngena chairman uchi.
Ungena kweyakhe nami ngiya kwelami room. Sine room lami la embombela.
Okay. All right. Mina ngicabanga ukuthi nawe ufike.
Ngiya-check ingane zami angithi ubuza ukuthi ngenza njani ifamily nele umsebenzi.
So you say to travel with the kids. You bring the kids and there's someone who's taking care of them. Ababukela ibhola ubabukela ku TV. Lambomela bani?
Hayi bala basuke khona e-stadium nabo somewhere. So ngiyaya kubona.
Une room lakho na?
Yeah. Yabo kuyasiza.
Kune TV.
No ayikho i-TV. Angiya half time.
Ababukeli nje abantwana ngegame ayidlala.
Bayayobukela bayabukela bahlala la presidential sometimes ngiyeza nje na la e-officeini ngizobabheka la.
Ngibani lo tena le idea le ukuthi chairman we don't sit VIP.
Hayibo kwabe akuzange kube idea kuvele kwenzeka nje ukuthi siyathanda ukuba nabantu siyathanda ukuba nama supporters. Sivele sihlale nabo and ukhumbule phela mayiqala lento maqala njengoba ngisho ukuthi since ngila ABC sila so besihlale sihamba uyabona kula stadium awekho vele ama VIP so into ebihlezi yenzeka vele sithola sihleli nama supporters so ikhule kanjalo bagcina sesithola i-stadium esine presidential suite manje akusajwayeleki ukuthi sesiyazi isolate siyalapha siyohlala sesijwayele ukuthi siba nama fans siyacula siyakenjoya lokho.
Mara kwake wathola abangani bakho your friends or whoever that close to you at mara mngani nje why ungahlali nje ku VIP uthi phumlele uyekele lento yebhola bathi idlalele cause nawe nyalo ngibonile ngathi one scoop sakho.
Yebo.
Nawe uthenge sakho scoop.
Yeah, ngathekela uchairman. Wasibeka ukuthi hayi mina maseseniqalile zoshaya maso ready.
So vele kude la soke sibone khona Dudu na president Tim Mswazi bahleli ku presidential suit like any other chairman unless mangabe bathi bubulela igame la TS Galaxy.
Yeah, kwezinye indawo. Yeah, masiyobona uChiefs njengoba basibona sihleli lapha presidential suite. Yeah. Kodwa nje thina makudlala TS Galaxy nje asohlezi sihleli nabo angeke kushintshe lokho.
Yini lokuhle ngano ukuthi mhlambe sekuyovela ama secret and some will steal this idea.
Okay.
Yini lokuhle ngeTS Galaxy that you guys inibona ngathi nikwenda different and it's working for TS Galaxy.
Yeah, kuningi. Oqala nje iTS Galaxy siyathandaza kakhulu. Awufike stadium sethu
Nendani?
Siyathandaza.
Labo make nithandaza umake lababuya kaNdebele.
No siyathandaza nje.
Mandlala neChiefs. Why are you always bringing those all that?
Mama bakwaNdebele udlala ngathi.
No ngiyabuda there's always this cultural.
Angithi nathi si team egxile kakhulu kwi-culture. Uyabona nje.
But why do you always bring labo make mandlala neChiefs?
No baba khona nje kunoma imapha game nalaba beSiswati kubone manje sesinalaba beSiswati abaqokile yebo
mara labo ngathi banemandla ngilabe beMandebele
hayi suka wena nje osisholoyo banamandla bonke siyathandaza kakhulu before igame noma sisosuka endlini njengoba ngisho ukuthi nala ngine room lami nakhona before siyongena siyaguqa sithandaze lapho and then sine band iband yasesontweni lethu.
Okay.
Ubone masizoqala abafana mabephuma bewomapha iyangena iband yafika around the stadium sicula amaculo esonto.
Okay.
Noma kudlala igame ayikho igame eTS Galaxy la ungeke khona iband yadlala nama fans kujabuliwe iyazwakala ngisho uyibukela ku TV uyezwa ukuthi adlala iTS Galaxy manje. Ngizwile lonto ngoba ade ngihlele endlini kancane kwamele ukuthi ngibukele igame ku TV. So makudlala thina uyabona ukuthi uyazwakala neband ku TV and into ongayizwa amanye ama team mayidlala.
So ayikho lento le ukuthi iTS Galaxy mayijike kwaNdebele yedwa nalabo make beMandebele ngeke uyishaye ayikho lento
hayi lutho
because it's always seen Mandla ne Chiefs labo make
kade zilane Chiefs manje last week ubabonile kade bengekho nokuba khona
hey mara bangafika lambombela ko hey okay
siyajika phela vele lapha esigodlweni ke every year
yes.
And then sinama cheerleader ayikho team engiyaziyo nama cheerleader la since sinama cheerleader from NFD if not ABC yeah so kodwa nje sinalamantombazane lawo ama cheerleader and kuhlukile futhi ukuthi thina sine team yamantombazane ama queens
yes
iSundowns kuphela iRoyal AM angisakwazi ukuyibala manje kodwa
yeah
kodwa ama team nje amakhulu ku PSL ithe sinabantu besifazane ngapha.
Let's talk about Lama Cheerleader because I think khona la ngakubukela khona tukwe program not no angizange ngabukela wena ngabukela one of the lady lebeka kuma cheerleader I think it was 3 years ago uthi you are hands on there you take care of them in terms of school clothes what they eat if a pass you need to make sure ukuthi uthola university is that true
Yeah iqiniso lelo.
How many do you have now
yabo ama cheerleader maningi I think bawu 18 manje kodwa ke manje sekunokuhluka
your umbrella
yeah manje sekuhlukile because abanye sengiyabahlalisa emakhaya ngibathathe nje mangabe kunesidingo sabo
ukhona njani mara wena tonga lento lengaka
abahlala endlini mhlawumbe manje bebe 5 6
endlini yakho
endlini not endlini yami banendli yabo banendli yabo
buy food
yeah uwenza yonke into endlini yabo i-clubhouse so uthenga ukudla banomuntu obagadayo bayiswe esikoleni bayatraveliswa bayadriviwa baze baye ema-university manje khona use-UJ manje bese this year uhambile wayohlala khona because seyahlala e-rest kuseduzane kumele focus omunye wenza i-teaching yabo nje bayakhula baze bafike e-university vele abantu bafana nabantwana bami mina abantwana shuthi ngiyabathanda and ukukhulisa wona lamantombazane la amancane because ngiyaza kulula ukukhula izintombazane mina ngikhule nginganabo kabazali
okay
yeah so bekumele ngiyikhulise from leso sikhathi esikoleni mhlambe bangidonatela ama uniform khuliswe nje abomama around so ukusiza abantu ke manje nami kuyangijabulisa ukubabona beya kuma matric dance angiyanga phela mina ku matric dance because benganayo imali ngaleso sikhathi so ukubabona ke beya kuma matric dance bebahle
so kubo
bayenzelwa ama 21st
ofisa ngathi ngabe ngayithola
yeah mhlawumbe
that's good sure
yeah
no that's good God will bless you God will bless you abasiba ngakhi like ngishilo ngathi the first time ngiva ngale program ema cheerleader oyi-1 beka university and wakubonga from kumnakekela I think she mentioned like from grade 10 11 12
ngoba sibathathe abanye nje grade 8 yeah abanye from grade 8 kuze kube manje baqedile nesikole manje
sure
bayafunda ama teaching vele ngibathathe from grade 8 emakubo thola ukuthi abanye bazala bawu9 yabo nje kuyasokola nje lapha bonke vela bakaNdebele bonke ngibathathe khona
so sikhuluma kabi masithi uyabathanza abantwana ngoba awusiwe ethwana utendele incomo niyabathanza abantwana kasukazi
siyabathanda
ngoba na president naye uyakunike go ahead
yebo siyabathanda shem usupportive kakhulu
so bantu laba under ETS Galaxy they are more than 50 I guess if you can count senior team the Queens, DTC, under 15, the coaches, the cheerleaders. Guys, the cake, how big is your cake?
Guys, ngazi kwenze kanjani ngasho nje ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngoba vele understand na ubona izinto sezenzeka ngazi nomchemeni unomlingo yini.
Yeah, like how big is your cake, guys?
Uyenza kwenzeke bandla. Uyenza kwenzeke.
Yo. I can imagine the number.
Ngoba sonke sigijimela kuyena phela.
Okay, and then uSis Dudu uyabonakala ku TV equla no chairman athanze team yakhe. This year, not this year, I think it was last season. And then who is the stylish guy or owenza ukuthi ETS Galaxy igqoka amasudu lo make sure ukuthi yasinya lo siphela. That's the only team in PSL let's go formal made grounding.
Yeah.
Who came up with the idea? Don't say it's you. Then you also went along ni.
Mawubheka kahle phela lento le from 2019 yakhumbula mase wenza iNedbank Cup.
Yes, manje
Sigqoka amasudu. Asithi uchairman. Uyena wathi the team engathanda ukuthi igqoka amasudu. Mina okwami ukugijima ngifuna ukuthi okay ubani
umuntu. So uchairman wathi abadlali abagqoka amasudu.
Yeah. Oyithandile leyo idea uyena vena. Since ngaleso sikhathi njengoba ngisho ukuthi akusinto eqala manje sekuba ngathi into yamanje ngoba sesigqoka wonke ama games.
Yes.
Kodwa nje ngalesa sikhathi siya ku final thina sibahle lapha sigqoka amasudu sonke sibukeka. Yeah.
Yeah, no. Nitendela into lehlukile. And then ni decide ukuthenga I team from ni decide ukuthenga iVasco da Gama le benisadlala kaSasol. Bendlala kaSasol League. And then nathenga iVasco da Gama. I think it was 3 years back. 2023. No, not so long ago.
Yeah.
Uwe lo sofuna kuba ichair, sofuna kuba president yakho, eteamini yakho yabomali. Because this thing yama cheerleader ila kuwe, you want to work with the females most of the time because you are not getting the 100%.
Ebafane nje kodwa. Yeah. From
so why did you decide kungena kuthenga team from the Hollywood structure?
So sithi nje vele from dala besifuna into ezo involve amantombazana ebholeni. That's why I said sama cheerleader because besingakabi exposed kakhulu ukuthi kunebhola lamantombazana kanjalo. Bes yeah, and then sathola le team le yamantombazana kwiSasol. Sazama ukusebenza nayo mara ngenxa yokuthi ingapha enkomazi. I-status sakhona leSasol bengapha enkomazi so angikwazi ukubona ama games angikwazi ukuba involved ikude ngikude nabo and vele ama game wabo ala eMpumalanga kuphela chairman nosaba uthi ngiyayithanda lento yebo
so lapho uchairman uku-assist mhlawumbe ngama logistic of signing players but naye during games time you are hands on.
Yeah, like cool.
Typical example, you are playing against Royal AM tomorrow Kanyamazana Stadium. Yini involvement ya chairman nje kudanye kwakhe yini la katokweni
yena awuzobukela mhlawumbe asize lapho nalapho ku coach mangabe edinga usizo mhlawumbe ibone ngenye indlela igame yena ucoach ibone ngenye indlela mhlawumbe ngamsiza nje lapho uthi mawunga tshintsha lapha ya.
So this is your baby. You must know ukuthi balele kuphi
yonke into from eqaleni uthi ba trainer nini bahamba kanjani bazodlani bazohlalaphi yeah badlala kanjani kusasa bazogqoka ini yonke into nje from eqaleni to egcineni.
So who negotiate ama salaries because we know ukuthi chairman chairman uke waba agent who negotiate ama salaries yala mantombazana
amanye anama agent wabo abanye bayayizela bazozikhulumela.
Okay.
Abaningi kakhulu bayayizela siyakhuluma nabo uthi okay sicabanga ukunika kanje and then sine clubhouse for bona abadinga ukutravel ibhola lamantombazane vele ke kunzima ke khona akufani kakhulu nje nakuleli labafana.
Bengifuna sithi lapho you mentioned a point kunzima what's difficult there?
Into enzima ngapha yo.
Yes. Are you getting enough? Okay, enough cannot be enough. Are you that grant that you are getting? Does it helps?
No, i-grant yangapha. Shem iyazama iHollywood Bet angisho kanjalo siyabonga futhi ngalokho abasinika khona. Kodwa phela i-grant yabo i-account ukuthi okay basinikeza match days kuphela mhlawumbe ukudla for i-match day. Basinikeza imali yokutravela for that game. Bakunika imali mhlawumbe ukukhokhela ama EMS nama security ne ground makuyi game yenu phela so akunamali ukuthi mhlawumbe yama salary
akuna monthly grant
ikhona yiyo lencane bayicalculator ngama kilometer wenyanga yonke bacalculator ngokudla kwalama game we4 bayicalculator kanjalo so enye cha yikho ukuthi nibaholela kanjani abantu ayikho
so nibaholela kanjani
sekumele iphume kuthini i-team ukuthi manje okay sibaholela kanjani labantu ngoba phela sibaqashile ama player yonke into iphume
But you
ephaketheni.
mentioned like it's in the clubhouse. You need to buy
Yeah,
food.
that's why thina sizama ukuthi
sibe
sibe ne clubhouse, at least kwenza ukuthi izinto zibe lula for thina ukuthi amantombazane angagibeli bangabi ne cost yokugibela, bangabi ne cost yokuthi kumele bakhokha ama rent la bahlala khona ngoba kuyadura ngale Joburg. So siba ne clubhouse, baya transporter to ema training every day, and then sekubile payment esibapha yona. Kodwa thina phela ethu yinhla kufani.
Yinhle yena.
Akufani, siyazama kakhulu uChairman.
Uyaholela.
Ngiyazi ukuthi uChairman uyasizama kahle.
Bayaphila abantu.
Bayaphila kahle ngoba kwezinye indawo ayicha kunzima kakhulu, ama player kumele asebenze vele abuye azodlala. Uyabo?
So most players at TS Galaxy, they go to training, they come back and relax, and they go to training.
Most
yes.
Yeah. Mhlambe sina 1 or 2 abasebenzayo. Nakhona mhlambe ngoba vele sibafice besebenza ngesibashintshisi ukuthi baye kumsebenzi. Kodwa nje kunzima la ebholeni lamantombazane ngenxa ukuthi imali ayikho.
So nigcina nithatha nale mali yalabo babe. Niyiphula ntangala.
Yeah. Because phela kumele senze ama accommodation and thina sifuna ukuthi street ama queens almost ngendlela efana nabafana. Bangaboni ngathi manje difference inkulu. Uyabo? Masiba travelisa singaba travelisa ngebus le first team sibakhele futhi la bayakhona bafike ngebus elincane ngenxa ukuthi ibus lifile vele ne first team ayihambe ngalo.
Okay.
Yeah. Nakumele kiwe go Cape Town Durban siyabaflyisa ama team awasitholi lezo zinto ama team amaningi amantombazane yabo.
So even nale transport kufuna ningede whatever labanika kona iHollywood nani.
Yeah, because bona babala ama kilometer nje driving land by land phela ukuthi mani Cape Town ma kilometer ingaka yabo.
So in the last year niphume number 3. Isizini ezingakhi ema Queens le?
Isizini yesibili leyana. So first season siphuma number 4, second season siphuma number 3.
Let's talk about the importance of TS Galaxy Queens. The reason why I'm bringing this question is it's simple. Kuba nama players like national team.
Yeah.
La representer TS Galaxy Queens, and it's so important, and you have good quality of players, and even noma ngabe bathi they divide the squad, even Dr. Des Remagathi just divide. Okay, this one will play logo, this one. I remember, I think it was last year where it was busy Kosafa, and then they have to divide. You have these players la bathola an opportunity yokudlala ku national team. Some teams labanye ama player ayithola that opportunity. That means, are you scouting with a perfect eye, or is the matter odds nibatrita kamnanzi bagcine bakhipha what is good? Because the player more phatha kabi. Who is scouting? Maybe my question will be like, who is scouting these players? Because when mina ngikwathi usebenza njani?
Yeah.
I still want to know, like, honestly speaking, because nyalo ambele TS Galaxy useJozi, ama Queens adlala Sunday, okay, wambele TS Galaxy seDurban, the Queens are playing at Dobsonville. Before you know, social scoop solapha kubo ukuthi ubuye ngayiphindiza esikhathini. Ngibani lo scout lama the players, because now not so long ago you have signed one of the best former, I'm not sure if it's former, but bafana banyana captain.
Namanje basazombiza so usayiyona.
Basazombiza. Ubani scout?
Uchairman phela uyena scout yonke indawo like Uchairman uyena onelihlo lakhona.
Uthola sinjani isikhathi because naku scouting TS Galaxy he's good with players la bantu bangamcabangi. Because Chairman will take a player from nowhere.
Chairman ulibona kayiwani player nje.
One season that player is boom gone.
Yeah.
Like look at this boy. Unimisa kuphi man? Or can't overseas.
Ilihlo lakhe lisharp, libukhali.
So uscoutola uChairman.
Yeah. Lapho uye vele.
Nah, men coach
then uzobaletha ababo bese eyathi ukuthi ngihambe ngiyobabheka nami ngizobheka ngibone ukuthi hayi ngihappy mangekho happy ngizomtshela ukuthi hayi lo ungithathele wrong kodwa nje mangihappy ngiyamtshela hey ngihappy kakhulu umthathe iphi yabo.
So masumthengisa so kilo wathengisa nje umlalo
amantombazane ubantu no cha okwamanje lutho asikakathengisi umuntu.
Serious? ifasabi
mhlawumbe bakasiboni kahle. And uyabona phela ebholeni lamantombazane asikho kangako ku TV. Ivezwa nje ngaleso sikhathi kambalwa. Kakhulukazi i-team ekuba spotlight ile Sundowns okwamanje kuzoshintsha lokho.
Kuzoshintsha. Maduzana.
Kuzoshintsha because yibo phela ngithi ama champions vele so i-spotlight sikubona ngaso sonke isikhathi. So asikakayitholi le opportunity yokuthi abantu bonke basibone. Kodwa njengoba belokhu behamba kancane ama player wethu like abonakale kuyibanyana uyabo sho ukuthi vele sinalo italent la ekhaya.
True, you cannot take away from that. Liso lenu lihle kakhulu. You mentioned about a framework. You said like you knew ukuthi TS Galaxy will grow by 2019 mawuqala Sizzling Sport. So i-vision yakho with the TS Galaxy Queens ufuna kuyibona in the next 5 years ikuphi? Wendekani ngayo?
Ngifisa ukusibona sinama sponsors amaningi, ngifuna ukusibona number 1 la eSouth Africa. Sihamba siyodlala phesheya, siwine lama cup kakhulu. Ngifuna ukusibona lapho vele.
This season, I think it was towards the end of last season, nilethe ama games eMbombela. Most adlala kaNyamazane Stadium. Yini inhloso yenu, injongo yenu ekuletha lama games eMbombela specific so?
Ukuthi la ngiyazi ukuthi ama supporter
wethu camera right angifuna ukukhuluma ngasabi yini ngicela ukukhuluma kule camera le mangabe ukuthi you need to mention because for me now I think we have a premier. Take nothing away from the previous premiers as Mpumalanga, but I feel Ubabe Undlovu, the premier that we have currently, he understands football. I'm not sure ukuthi sengena hlala phansi naye na chairman akhuluma, he understands football. Yini inhloso yenu yekuletha lama games la Mbombela futhi manje ngabe nifuna kusitwa banganisita njani?
Madoda.
Yeah.
Inhloso yethu ukuthuthukisa nje iMbombela ukuletha ibhola elikhulu la eMbombela. iPSL iPSL ukusikhuluma iPSL or
sikhuluma ngama Queens.
Ama Queens.
Yeah. Sikhuluma ngale yakho nyalo because badlala kaNyamazane Stadium. Banokulithola lithuba lekudlala eMbombela, but in most cases out of 10 maybe we can say most ima games abase eMbombela Stadium yini le nifuna ukuthi mawajabula nje ukuthi na eMbombela involve bongajabula njani?
Sidinga support enkulu la from ama fans kumnandi ama player amayidlala kugcwele i-stadium bayajabulela leyo nto nabo bafila be special bazizwa yabo ukuthi nabo bayathandwa. So ukuthi sikwazi ukuqhubeka silokhu siza ngapha ngoba kukude ama player kumele atravel kumele alale so sidinga indawo yokulala transport yokuza ngapha izinto ezinjalo.
So baba ngathi kuba nemuntu lot okay I need to assist you Dudu bring the Queens itohlala la Hlanzeni ungavuma itohlala la wena bese Joburg yona ihlale la they accommodate them they give them house transport to attend ama trainings everything ungavuma ukuthi
nami phela ngihlala nginendawo phela nami la
kuphi
khona la ngihlala la ngeke ngize ngisho ukuthi kodwa ngithi nomuzi ngapha so ngiyahlala nje ngapha isikhathi esiningi ngiphinde ngibe seJoburg ke depend ukuthi ngifunekala kuphi ngaleso sikhathi
so ungavuma
so ngingavuma kakhulu ukuthi babonakale nje lana babonakale yonke indawo imoto ezibrandiwe zibonakale yonke indawo babe busy nje
because the reason why sorry kumbe
DDC yonke into
because
singakujabulela kakhulu lokho ama i-clubhouse nje siyadinga.
Okay, let's start with this lenga khona controller. DDC I think ngakhona controller. If they can get a clubhouse, they can get a 22-seater and then few cars to travel with the technical team ekemini, but knowing ukuthi branded promoting TS Galaxy
sibonakale nje emehlweni abantu
nibonakala Mbombela and then nalokunye lokungendeka even the ladies nabo singakhona kuba accommodate sibabone bagqoke ama attire bagqoke uniform TS Galaxy bangena kubo Langa Mall mabane timoto sibabone betha ipetrol bashiye umnotho
Yebo.
la
Kuyakhonakala nje kakhulu ngoba njengoba ngisho ukuthi bane clubhouse ngale so bahlale besendaweni eyi1. Into ebalekile kubona ukuphuma bayotrainer babuye bahlale. Babe busy ke abafundayo bafunda online khona abanye abangena isikole u1 kodwa manje ngiyacabanga ukuthi uyaqeda nakhona engasenza online kodwa nje kupossible kakhulu lokho.
now university.
Ngiyabona ke bangayofunda lapha eMpumalanga kungaba kuhle kakhulu kabi.
Hayi man, we need to sit down with the premier ubaba Ndlovu and simcele la nga assista khona ubaba Ndlovu ukuthi baba Ndlovu yebo lele khulu i-team le bafana le mamels it can need a lot of things kuchinja but these two let's have the DDC TS Galaxy eMbombela, let's have the Queens eMbombela. So Guma ladies la dlala kuSasol, how do they get the opportunity yokuthi mhlambe one day bawo scouteka bathola lithuba lekuya yodlala ku TS Galaxy Queens, because we know ileague eSasol from Komanzi everywhere.
So ukuthi si host ama trials, mas host ama trials bakwazi ukuthi bafike lapho sibabone siba scout kanjalo.
Okay.
Masiqala nje ama Queens vele siba scout kanjalo ngoba ama chance ukuthi sihambe siyobukela ama game mancane unless bekuma finals.
Yes.
Yabona. Then siyakwazi ukuya lapho kuma playoffs. Siyakwazi ukufikelela lapho. Kodwa phela uyasho nama kuthiwa sihlala ngapha kulolu. Sometimes sihamba siyobheka ama games na.
Yes, we are bongodini.
Yeah. Sinalo nje linye player libuya kuSasol manje uNeli Gamet nizombona. Talented. Uyadlalela iSasol i-team la eMpumalanga.
Khona ngambona udlala ku Super Strikers, I'm not sure ukuthi nguye. Mangabe nisangamthathi I will do a research and now let you know.
Umlethe ke phela ungamletha nje simbone.
Udlala phambili, udlala ama Super Strikers. Sure, angazi ubani mara hayi.
Strike.
Ay.
Umlethe iwindow lisavuliwe phela simbone.
Ne. Hayi ngowenza plan here. Let's talk about Kido Card. You also own a saloon. For those who don't know you also own a saloon. Before siya ku Kido Card, you were a modeling. Abo ngishilo ngathi interview yami into kwenda ube relax. Singakhuluma akunama question. So you were a modeling and I'm sure you wish one of your daughter can venture on Mother's Day.
Bakhona bayifunayo. Khona nje one.
Cut her saloon. Yini le saloon le?
Hey le salon yabantwana kuphela kodwa nje nabantu abadala siyabenza ama njengama cheerleader bayenza inwele lana nama player we-TS Galaxy Queens bayenza inwele lana bakhathe. So senza abantwana kakhulu ngama weekends abantwana kuphela si strict vela sithatha abantu abadala because kuyagcwala. Mara during the week then sesingabathatha kabafana iKido Card isaluni yabantwana. Mawungena nje uyabona ukuthi abantwana benza inwelelana yonke into nje ithi mntwana yabonakala i-colorful iheha bona abantwana inama TV yonke indawo kunama screens abantwana kudlala ama cartoons staff sakhona vele sitrain ukuthi nje si treat abantwana kahle bayafika bayabhala bayacryona kuneyindawo ngisho ama station wakhona uyabona ukuthi eseyingane kunama cartoon nasemabondeni isalon nje yeyingane
kahle wena i-24 hours is not enough for you.
Ayikho enough vele
masingaletha iphepha nyalo
yilokhu bamba lapha
like salon, kids at school, homeworks, the game is playing on Wednesday and Friday at 3 p.m. the Queens are playing, Sunday Cape Town, like 24 hours. How do you make it work?
Husband izobuya abantwana kuyenzeka shame yazi kuyenzeka. Fanele as long as nje ukwazi ukumanage izinto zakho ukuzimanage ukuthi manje isikhathi salokho uzibeke kahle nje kuyakhonakala. And then ube nosizo. Yabona mawuzoba nabantu bathembile abazokwazi ukuhandlisha izinto mangabe ungekho.
Okay.
Usizo labantu libaleke kakhulu. Ube nabantu abareliable. Abantu abareliable abazokuhlonipha vele nawe if uyahlonipha abantu nabo bayakuhlonipha mina abantu ngiyabahlonipha so nabo bayangihlonipha and then bafuna ukwenza sure ukuthi lento engiyifuna mhlawumbe yenzeka ngaleyo ndlela uyabo.
Dudu sikhuluma ngawe namuhla, it's all about you and it's all about TS Galaxy as a brand. Yes, siyathatha lapha nalapha ifamily siphinde siphume. obvious working with your husband kunetinto lekufuna umthobele uyiboss eteamini mara endlini uyindvodza ungibaba wasekhaya futhi ke wena uphuma eKZN uyakwathi ukuthi indvodza iyathobela iletha kudla ukuletha kushisa awukufuthumele
kunjalo
athi yebo
yebo kunjalo shem
so Mr Sukazi njenge husband and ubaba wabantwana ukhona njani ukubalansisa leti info leti sophumile nje ebholeni uphuma nje ebholeni take away ibhola ushiye amabhuku ushiye ama laptop emotweni kuba nje ngumake wasekhaya
kuba njani endlini
yes kuba ngimake ukuthi phela ngabona mawusona nemuntu ubana lekujwayela lokuthi phela uyayiboss and sesilwile office because when I didn't sign this thing you were late but makufika endlini how do you balance you change the mood endlini because I don't think I can work with my wife I don't think
serious kuyakhonakala ngoba izinto eziningi sizikhuluma usuke esemsebenzini mhlawumbe use-officeini naye nami ngibusy ngeinto zami during the day nje siyafonelana kwenzakala so mara mase sifika endlini ithola ukuthi sesiyi switch off lezi zinto sesiqedile ngezinto zomsebenzi naye ushiya ama laptop akhe officeini nami ngishiye zami ezomsebenzi seyiphelile sesi bayithina ke nomndeni wethu sibukela ama movies siyabonda nje ezithina siyakhohlwa kancane umsebenzi then kusasa ekseni siqhubeka la sigcine khona izolo omunye umeka hamba nomunye ehamba or ekseni masiphuza icoffee nje sesiyaqala ke siya discuss izinto okay izolo kugcine la sesiyakhuluma uyabo
sure ne
kuyabalanseka isikhathi yonke into inesikhathi sayo.
Okay, kubadlali la kake wabasayina Mr Tim Sukazi nawo washo ukuthi yabona la papa la usayinile yabona la papa la usayinile ku senior team ngibani lo fika encondweni yakho
ngoba baningi yo
mara khona la washo wathi yabona papa la hayi la ngushala standla la ushala litumo la usayinile
yeah
mhlambe ne personality yakhe ekutiphatha maybe you can say yo what mawusana lo mfana lona bengine kudoubt mara yo this player is different usayina abadlali abaningi usayina bophaka
baningi shemane bayadlala yazi yabo umlungu ubani nje umlungu ubani kama lakhe ngitshela
lo shama gonyala
yeah
lo mude lo top scorer Kalas
naye lo and wambona kwi-video so wayibukela i-video kuseni ngithi ngiyayibuka nami le video ngibona enze ezinye izinto lapha ngithi ubani lo mlungu ayakeza engakafiki sithi ayakeza siyamfuna lo yeah so makafika vele ngiyambona usayenza izinto zakhe but noma engakaqedi ukwenza lezi engangizibone kwi-video
okay khona lokunye lokusasela
cha ngambona kwi-video eshaya ezinye izinto so ngathi ngihappy ke ngalomuntu akeze uza nini angikaze vele ngisho into kanjalo mhlawumbe ngibona i-video yomuntu naye I think babemsendela ama-video ukuthi abheke ukuthi ufuna lephi player
okay so no umlungu muhle iyabonakala isizini yakhe itoba inhle but sengivile nje sekungathi soyafunwa kuphi soyafunwa kuphi sezamhambisa ngisho vele sisebenza njalo
ile nto ukuthi nje masingathola isponsor nje kodwa phela manje siya kwi-CAF angiboni ukuthi uzohambisa ubaba angiboni ukuthi uzohambisa ama-player masiya kwi-CAF phela sidinga isquad esiningi uyakwazi naye lokho
so it's not the first time iGalaxy yobidlala iCAF
cha sike sadlala the times
financially ya drain I'm told ukuthi ya drain
kakhulu kodwa sayikhona
so you're still looking forward ukuthi nidlala even this year
no
even though it drain financial
yeah hayi phela ila isifuna ukuzibona khona iphupho lethu ukubona iTS Galaxy le kude hayi nje la so manje makiwa ngakhona siyakhona enesaya kusiku NFT if saya siku NFT singahlulwa yini ke manje because izinto manje sezingcono
sure sikhuluma ngokuthi idepartment yaseMpumalanga kufuna inichase kakhulu last year sabona ukuthi i-team yaseGermany how was your experience if mangabe kungendeka ibuye futhi ku pre-season yango August how was your experience makufika was it Augsburg
yeah Augsburg
yeah how was your experience there being everything, because I think you were running because the team yayisembombela. How was your experience?
Hey, and yonke into ibe rush manje. Ngathi nje
Ufunzeni kule nto leyo?
Ngifundeni.
Ufika kwale team yase Germany.
Angazi ngizothi ngifundeni yazi.
Ngoba uphumela experience. Khona lo phumela ukuthi mabangathi baletha lenye team. Aha.
Sayenza kancane.
Wenza kancane.
Hayi tough leyo question. Angazi.
Mara ngiyazi ukuthi khona ukufunzile.
Khona for sure.
So ngifuna ukukuniketa it's more like a game.
Okay.
I want you to select your best TS Galaxy Queens. Cela ungikale ibhuku lami.
Wow. Queens
yama Queens number 1.
uDineo.
Dineo.
Magagula lapho.
Magagula.
Oh no, uDineo Magagula.
Oh, Dineo Magagula.
Keep.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go right back.
And then lapha ku right back ngifaka uLebo. Yeah, uLebo.
Ulebo. Kuma center back.
Kuma center back ngifaka Precious. Precious uBazuka. And then no Yoyo. Yomelela.
Left back.
Center back na.
Yeah.
Then ngadena ngizofaka uSibahle Maneli.
Okay, kuma 66.
Laphana phakathi ngizofaka uMamelo noNomvula.
Okay.
No
Mawing. Okay, asithi midfield. Bali midfield.
Naye mfa phakathi. Emasidini uNicole. Nicole Michaels. Ngalena ngafaka Thimbo phansi kwabo ngakhetha ba. Alicia.
Yeah. And then up front.
Lapho phambili sekhona uLeandra.
Leandra, yes, a new signing.
Ngifake ubanje omunye engamthanda lapha phambili. Hathi sifake uBusi.
Okay. Nasi ischeme sasistudu. Akusisa coach. Ningathi manje babona kusasa kaNyamazane Stadium badlala so nithi usistudu bene impact. Sistudu. Thank you so much for taking time to speak to us about the challenges of a Hollywood bet, and we so wish it can grow. Let's see more of these games being broadcast on TV, so that people they will understand who is this. Is because some players they are not familiar to Gubandu, and who is this one? And then even Mabatsi with TS Galaxy, Bando Abamat, but the TV and that thing not on, and for telling us more about balancing your work, football with a family, and then being umage wasekhaya, unakekele abantu abakho, and also working hard to get brand to make sure this brand is growing each and every time. So we really appreciate and siyabonga kuthatha lethuba. I know this is your first and not your last interview. We're still gonna come and talk about lokuhle. I'm sure you're still gonna do more and more and more.
Cool.
Yeah, so we really appreciate too, and we wish you all the best to Guma Queens and all the best to go TS Galaxy males, since the vision is clear. You want to see that team idlala Africa.
Yeah.
We really appreciate and thank you so much.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Besikhuluma nasistudio lo president ye TS Galaxy Queens aphinze abe i-chairlady ku senior
TS
team
Galaxy.
yabo babe aphinze futhi abe i-founder
Sizzling Sports,
Kiddos aphinze abe i-founder yalabo sesilaba jiva lapha nge-half time cheerleader. So aphinze abe ngoskati we president ye TS Galaxy Mr. Tim Sukazi. Sibonga kakhulu kusistudio. So siyivala ngokuthi nawe Mbokotho awusimncane, especially ebholeni letinyawo kungaba nalento yokuthi kudominator bobabe, kodwa ke sasibabonile bomake bangenile ebholeni basikhombisa ukuthi it's possible, it can be done. So nawe mangabe umuntu wesifazane usadibukela phansi kanti lento unayo ungasatibukele phasi. GTZ, and remember to do the easiest thing, just subscribe. Mahala. Episode number 10. Tako, besembombele. We out.
You are watching Sport Talk with GTZ, General Tata Zonke. Sport Talk, the General's View. GTZ, General Tata Zonke.